Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm Fuji Dri-Chemistry Slide ALB-P. So as you can see, this is the top view of it, and this is the front view of it. So let me show you. This is the Fujifilm Fuji Dri-Chemistry Slide ALB-P. Code is 2050. You can see the expiry and lot number here. The pack size is 24, made in Japan. As you can see, it is a IVDC certified product. It needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. At the bottom here you find a barcode scanner. The front end of it contains the manufacturing address. You can see it here, Fuji Corporations, made in Tokyo, Japan. Here is one barcode scanner, and as you can see, it is a very small, very handy slide pack. So guys, to summon it up, this is the Fujifilm Fuji Dri-Chemistry Slide ALB-P. You can see the code 2050, expiry and the lot number. It's a 24 pack size, made in Japan, IVDC certified product. So this is the product, guys. Thank you.